this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change this image from this to this. Hello viewers and welcome back, and today we are back on another tip and tricks in Photoshop, and today I'm going to show you how to soften your skin with beautiful textures in Photoshop. That's our main idea for today. So what I want you to do is just simple. First, make sure you import your image and make sure you remove all the blemishes from your face, like how I showed in the other video. So with this selected, let's duplicate this by using Command J in Mac or Control J on Windows to create our duplicate. And what I'm going to do is now invert this image by using Command I. Look at this. Wow, perfect. So after this, change the blending mode from normal to vivid light. Perfect. So after this, what I want you to do, go here to filter, go to other and choose high pass. Now this is where the magic starts to happen. Now make sure all the image kind of blend together. Okay. Go. think this is okay. Let's look at that a bit. This is perfect. Click on this. Now go back to filter and this time choose blur and Gaussian. So try to increase that like this. So that I kind of trying to see some of the textures on the screen. Okay, let's click OK. Now after this, what I want you to do is create a negative marks on the image. So hold Option or Alt and click negative. Now select with that one selected with your foreground layer as well. With your brush tool, okay, and start painting on the screen. Let's look at that. Make sure the edges are not affected. Look at this. Perfect. You zoom in a bit so you see what is going on. The edges are not affected. So just see before and this is after. Perfect. So that is how you soften the skin with JS what texture in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time in my next tutorial. Take care and enjoy.